Malawi Today.
Tikuti anthu amaona nkhani mosiyana-siyana. Akuti nkhani ya a Nsonthi ku inquiry awa akuiona mosiyana ndi mmene anthu ena akuionera. Tamvani zimene akukamba akhadi.
Akuti Mr. Chiza Nsonthi wakupangani let down ito ku chilima inquiry. Then we no. Sana tipange let down yani. Anthu amene simukuziwa ndinaonera, but naionera after I was just looking at what he has said. Then to me it shows a munthu amene ali remorseful at the loss of Chidima, but he is also grieving. He just lost his dear wife. Now when people have lost Wokondedwa, like a wife, simunga apange so drag wabweresa ku inquiry ndikuma apanga grieve mafuso. What Nsonthi needs right now is just peace of mind. That's what happens when you lost someone so close to you. All you want is peace of mind, That's what I saw when I was watching Nsonthi. Chimene naona nayo ndiyo munthu uyu sakufuna negativity. He doesn't want the negative aura imene mabwera ndi chilima inquiry, because there are so many angry people. Anthu akudziwa kuti panachitika ngozi, panachitika chinthu china yake. Anthu akudziwa kuti anthu aja anaphedwa. And munthu amene munganene kuti amaoneka ngati zero murumu libe ndi jido kitu basi, because akuoneka ngati kuti he doesn't even understand what intelligence is. We have intelligence here, it matters policy, but we don't. It doesn't lead to prosecution. We just provide intel here, there. No. That means you don't know what intelligence is. But Mukagamba Nsonthi, no. That man is grieving. Let him be. He just wants peace of mind. I believe there was communication between Nsonthi and Ntakoma, and it is as the way Ntakoma said it. Nsonthi would have come there, Ndugu Kulaso, to validate what Ntakoma said. But Nsonthi doesn't want negativity right now. The man just wants peace of mind. He wants to live his life. He doesn't want to be dragged with, because my recommendations for negligence, it means there will be a lot of bad blood between so many people, especially in the military. So he doesn't want that. He just wants peace of mind. He's a courageous man, but right now he wants to put this behind him. He wants to focus on recovering from, losing his wife. That's how it is, Let us give a man a chance to grieve. I'm feeling like Nsonthi did well, That's okay. That's how it is. Anyway, let's get back to work.
High ranking officer ku military, Lieutenant General munthu wankulu kwambiri. Ndipo anzanga yena anazanena kuti ndinochuka. Anthu akati Nsonthi kokwame amati Nsonthi ndinochuka. So do you think kuti zimene mmanena ino kapena zimene munganene ino anthu akhoza kuzitenga serious kwambiri because of your prominence?
Thank you, Chair. It all depends on what context. I have a very high sense of humor at times, but this particular issue, the seriousness of it, it's not something that I would joke about. If I had information, pateni, and I've got all those details, it's a national importance, I wouldn't keep these things to myself. So thank you for saying that people look up to me, they trust me. But this particular case, incident, yabateni, no.
Mafuna ndiziwe kuti zimezo maziwa kuti munthu akauchuka ngati muli lino. Chiyonse mema yakula chimwe mwachita anthu amachitenga kuti cheni. That we are together there. Ndimafunanso ndipite pa sentence jana zanena ija imene mwaika mu report mwanu sindukamba za Ntakoma koma report yanuyi imene mwalembaso ndiwerengaso. It's a terrible tragedy that Sean and his sister have lost both their parents. Imeneyo ndi prominence yanu. Don't you think kuti munthu akuza kunena kuti you know what you are saying as a truth?
As I said in my statement, Kumamoze, Sean and the sister losing both their parents, very sad. This is me telling Moses. Then Moses corrects me immediately and says, yeah, Mary, it wasn't on the plane. You see how...
Chairperson, I just wanted us to go together.
Yes.
Sentence ndaiwerenga in totality. Are you disowning anything from this? Because umapereka presentation ndinuyo.
Yes.
As it stands.
Yes.
Kuchizungu kuli kuyankhula ndi certainty kapena kuyankhula with high possibility. Those two you agree, Lieutenant General, kuti nzosiyana. So this sentence, can you say kuti mayankhula kuti with high possibility kapena probability kapena with certainty as it stands? I'm sure you're looking at the sentence that I'm referring to.
Yes.
Does it convey a message kuti there's certainty in it kapena pali a certain doubt in what you are saying?
The sentence, the way it reads here, it's a terrible tragedy that Sean and his sister have lost both their parents.
Okay, that one.
That's a sentence that I'm making to Moses. He is replying to me, Chief, no. This cannot be. For information, I was with Mary at the house.
I wanted you to concentrate on that sentence.
Yes.
And tell me whether it gives certainty to what we are saying. Kapena ikumapereka ka doubt kuti pali some degree of probability or possibility. As it stands, just choose whether it's certainty or palika possibility.
I'm saying it's a terrible tragedy.
Yes. That Sean has lost both parents.
Yes.
Full stop.
Yes.
Is there any any piece of uncertainty there in that sentence?
When I was telling Moses that time, you must go back to say ndege agwa. In my mind, Madam Chirimaso anali momo. So now I'm conversing with my friend Kuti. It's a terrible tragedy, losing both parents. So he is correcting me now. Mary wasn't in it. So if you just take that sentence alone, it doesn't give enough evidence. I knew everything.
Okay, now we'll move on. I think in the interest of time.
Okay.
Doa Kasangazi did ask you a question. I think you did not respond to that question. Anafusa Guti, did you reprimand Amoze for telling this committee that you knew Kuti the plane or the wreckage was discovered on the same day of the 10th? Did you go back to him to reprimand him? I told you Kuti nachita crash on the 10th, which everybody knew Kuti nachita crash on the 10th. But he came here and told us that you told him that it was discovered on the 10th, which you are saying is not true. So Doa Kasangazi was asking you, did you go back to reprimand him? Could I say, is unanene range? Because I never told you this. And you did not answer that question.
Chair, one of my members, I did answer it. I said, Kumalira Gonko, you're sitting next to me. I said, Mose, Tiaga Mbirane, you left out a lot of things. That's what I said.
Okay, so that was reprimanding to unanene range, I didn't say that. Okay. I will finish. Are you on a WhatsApp group called the Happy Agents?
Yes, I am.
Where there are colleagues like Edward Namalima, Ochanga. Can you confirm?
Honorable Chair, I wouldn't know the full list, but I know it's golfers. So Changa is a golfer, obviously. I think he's on it, but I don't know the full list.
Thank you so much. Chairperson, I just wanted him to confirm that he's on that WhatsApp group called Happy Agents.
Yes.
I submit.